soap dispenser, and I'm so excited to start using this in my bathroom. It's very simple to install and it's simple to operate too. So I have here this adhesive glue. It came together and it's strong and resistant. This is really convenient. We don't need to drill the wall to install this in our bathroom. And it came with these labels. It's really good to name what we have inside here, and this material it's waterproof. Other thing, it has this lock design to keep this closed very well, and this is manual. Just pressing this button here you can have your body wash, for example. We can separate these parts, and this is really good. No leak, no drip, and no plug. Simple and easy. Let's install this in our bathroom and show you how it works.